Jai Hind everyone. My name is Cadet Rajatru from One Gujarat Composite Technical Company. I am a student of Vishwakarma Government Engineering College. Today we are talking about history of Indian tricolor. It is really amazing to see a various change in our national flag since its first inception. It was discovering during a national struggle for freedom. The first national flag in India said to have been hosted on 7 August 1906 in Parsi Bagan Square in Kolkata. The flag was composed of three horizontal strips of red, yellow, and green. Second flag was hosted in Paris by Madame Kama and her band of exile revolutionaries in 1907. This was very similar to the first flag, except that the top strip had only one lotus but 7 stars denoting the Saptarshi. This flag was also exhibited at a socialist conference in Berlin. Third flag went up in 1917 when our political struggle had taken a definite turn. Dr. Annie Besant and Lokmanya Tilak hosted it during Home Ruler movement. This flag had 5 red and 4 green horizontal strip with 7 stars in Saptarshi configuration superimposed on them. In the left top corner was a Union Jack and the right top corner was white crescent and a star. Fourth flag went up during the session of All India Congress Committee, which met at Benswada in 1921, and Andhra Youth prepared a flag and took it to the Gandhiji. It was made up to 2 colors, red and green, representing the two major communities, Hindu and Muslim. Gandhiji suggested the addition of white strip to represent remaining communities of India. The spinning wheel symbolized the progress of the nation. Flag went up in 1931. The year 1931 was a landmark in the history of the flag. A resolution was passed adopting the tricolor flag as our national flag. This flag, forebear of the present one, was saffron, white and green with Mahatma Gandhi's spinning wheel at the center. It was, however, clearly stated that it bore no communal significance was to be interpreted thus. 22 July 1947, the Constituent Assembly adopted it as a free Indian national flag. After the advent of independence, the color and their significance remained the same. Only the Dharma Chakra of Emperor Ashoka was adopted in the place of a spinning wheel as the emblem on the flag. Thus, the tricolor flag of a Congress party eventually became the tricolor flag of independent India. In the national flag of India, the top band is saffron color, indicating the strength and courage of the country. The white and middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The green and last band show the fertility and growth of the land. I hope I give you much information about our national flag. Thank you.